behalf of this flight crew and Southwest Airlines, welcome to Baltimore. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened, seat back and tray tables in a full upright and locked position, and all carry-on items completely under the seat in front of you. When the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign, please be careful when opening the overhead bins. Items may have shifted and could fall out. You may now use your cellular functions of your small portable electronic devices, so please remain seated and leave your carry-on items stowed. Please be advised aircraft doors will be open during ground servicing for your safety. Please ensure that you and any children you're supervising remain clear of the front and back doors. If you're connecting here to another great Southwest flight, please check the monitors and terminal for the flight gate number. We certainly have enjoyed sharing part of our evening with you. We know you have many choices when you fly, and we thank you for choosing to fly with us. And once again, I apologize for the delay. Have a great evening, guys. Flight attendant did on the cross-check program.